Hello, in this video we are going to have a look at the electrode placement of Combo3 Plus device by UltraCare PRO. Wires attached to this electrode comes from channel 1 and channel 2 of this device. Each channel supplies current to two electrodes, one of red color, another of black color. For upper back application, place red and black wires from channel 1 on one side of the upper back region. Similarly, place the red and black wire from channel 2 on other side of the back region in a way that the areas that is painful for upper back gets covered. For EMS application, place black and red wire from channel 1 on the muscle on the left side that needs to be stimulated. Similarly, the red and black wire from channel 2 is placed on the right hand side over the muscle that needs to be stimulated. For Russian current application, place red and black wire on the muscle that needs to be stimulated from channel 1. Similarly, place red and black wire on channel 2 on right hand side over the muscle that needs to be stimulated. For IFT application, the black and red electrode from channel 1 is placed diagonally opposite to each other. Similarly, red and black electrode from channel 2 is placed diagonally opposite to each other in a way that they cross each other, so that the area that is painful gets covered. Once the electrodes are placed, the device is now ready to setting up the parameters. For other body placements, check our Combo3 Plus placement series.